Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save battery life in iOS 15, iOS 15.0.1. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. iOS 14 is stable than iOS 15. So we have some issue in iOS 15, iOS 15.0.1. So do the following step to prevent iPhone battery drain issue. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on display and brightness and select dark mode. Use dark mode for iPhone. Number 2, turn off location services. Simply launch settings. Then tap privacy and tap location services. Here, turn off location services and tap turn off to confirm. Number 3, disable unnecessary notifications. Simply launch settings. Then tap notification and turn off the notification that we have a lot of notification from the application, Facebook or FaceTime and messages, Instagram and Messenger as well. And if you also have a mail notification, then also turn off the mail notification as well. Number 4, keep iPhone battery maximum to 80%. Number 5, use auto brightness. Simply launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on accessibility. Now tap display and text size. Scroll and enable auto brightness. Disable Wi-Fi and cellular data if not in use. Launch settings. Tap on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi. And if you're using mobile or cellular data, then turn off mobile or cellular data if not in use. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.